Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get permanent camo in World of Warships. The first way is through the armory. The armory, which is the shop, which is right here at the top left corner. Click on that. And then once you're here, find the tab that says customizations. Click on that. And once you're here, look up top and find camouflages. Here you can check what type of camo is available, and you can buy them for either coal or steel. You could also get permanent camo through containers, which is right here, and then let's click on a random container here. As you can see here, you can get a permanent camo for a specific type of ship. Note that the camouflage that these containers give won't let you equip it on every ship, but only on specific ships. Next is through event and missions. Many event rewards permanent camos for specific ships, so always check on the missions tab, which is right here on the left. Next is through dockyard events. So if we check our dockyard, which is also here on the left side, sometimes here on the rewards, it will give you a permanent camo, but I cannot find one right now, so maybe this dockyard's rewards don't give camo. Then next is through special bundles and premium shop. Sometimes permanent camos are sold directly in bundles, and purchasing it through doubloons. And the next is ship lines and tier rewards. Some higher tier ships get permanent camos through progression or special promotions. Once you have a permanent camo, click on the ship that has a camo or the camo that you have acquired for that ship. Click on exterior, which is right here on top. And then here you can see the different types of camos that you can equip on the ship. And that's it. That's how you get and use permanent camo in World of Warships.